Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you delete your Cash App account, and this can also apply to individuals who are figuring out that they can't delete transactions in their Cash App account, and the only way to remedy that situation is also just deleting the Cash App account and then starting off a new one from scratch. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go down and just make sure that you don't have any money invested in stocks or in Bitcoin, and if you do, you can sell these. And once you don't have any investing positions, then what we want to do is go to the bottom left-hand corner, and it'll either show you a dollar amount or a little building, and we're going to click on that. And at this point, if you have a cash balance, you're going to need to get this out of your Cash App account before you can delete it. So what you want to do is click where it says cash out, and you need to make sure that it's the entire amount. And you can either cash out with the standard way or with an instant transfer. And once your cash balance is at zero, what we're going to do next is click on our little profile icon here in the upper right hand corner. And from this page, we want to go down and click where it says support. And on the support page, we go down and click where it says something else. And in the something else page, we go all the way to the bottom and find where it says account settings and click on that. And then in your account settings page, go down and click on where it says close account. Now for me, since I still have money in my Cash App account, it's not going to allow me to close out officially. But if you don't have any funds left in your Cash App account, it'll take you to a page that says close my Cash App account. And you'll click confirm here down towards the bottom. And once you've confirmed that your account is closed, your Cash App account will be deleted. And after this, your cash tag as well as your user ID will no longer exist. And if anyone attempts to send you money at that point, they'll receive an error. But once you've officially closed out your Cash App account, you'd always have the option to come back later and make another account if you wanted to do that through the Cash App. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.